So this is how you can add attachments to email on your iPad. Let me show you exactly how it would work. If this is your first time being here, most definitely subscribe and become part of the community so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you open up the Mail app of your choice. Most likely it's going to be the built-in Mail app from Apple. This one works well naturally, and what you need to do is to, of course, start a new email. So you need to pay attention to the pencil icon for the new mail button. You click there and you obviously fill out all of the information like the recipient, the subject, and all of that. But in order to add the attachment, it right away doesn't give you the ability to do so, because at first you have to click on the body part of the email, right? And then when you click so, you can see that the other tools are going to appear at the bottom. So this gives us the ability to modify text or add some sort of drawing with the pencil tool. But most importantly, we have the ability to click on the paperclip icon, which lets us attach a photo or take a photo with a camera right away. But most importantly, we want to click on the attach file, which opens up and links us to the Files app made by, or officially by Apple on the iPad. And there, most likely you have the attachments stored, right? So it might be something like a PDF file or a Word document or whatever else it is. That's how you can find it and attach it to the email. Of course, fill out the rest of the stuff as well, and you can send it as a regular message. So that is how it would work using the built-in Mail app. But with the other clients, it's very similar. You just start a new mail and look for the paperclip icon. So I really hope I can help you out. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.